When delivering your photography services, your primary objective should be to do a great job for your client so that you can make more money by turning them into repeat customers and using their positive reviews to help you get new customers. And do the work as efficiently as possible so that you can make more money in less time. So how do you do it? If you're new to my content, I'm Adam Radley and I'm the founder of iMagine. This channel is for photographers that want to start and grow their business. I'm also creating a series of videos called 100 Ways to Get Customers for Photographers. If you want to receive alerts when I release new videos, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, let's get into it. One thing we can all agree on is that the quality of your services should be high. But don't fall into the trap of thinking that this is the only thing you need to address when delivering your services. If you're a pain in the ass to deal with, or your prices are too high, or you didn't finish a project on time, or your response times are too slow, your customers won't be happy, even if the images or video you deliver looks great. The simple and best way to think about this is to remember that clients will consider the overall experience involved with hiring you. You need to take responsibility for creating a good customer experience while concurrently making it a good experience for yourself. So what are the elements of a good customer experience? Process or workflow. Ask the client if they have a set workflow that they want you to follow and follow it diligently. If not, make sure that your workflow is organized and professional. Clear communication. Most disputes and delays can be traced back to a lack of clear communication. Preparation. A little extra preparation at the start of a project almost always pays off over the course of the project. Try to think of what might go wrong and address it at the start. Costs. Clarity around costs and the circumstances under which additional costs will be incurred is critical. As a client, I hate consultants that add costs without telling me. You'll go a long way to winning and keeping clients if you just made a clear commitment not to do this. Responsive. Even if you cannot provide a meaningful response to a client, you should always acknowledge receipt of their message and let them know approximately when you plan to respond. Show off your skills. Always take the opportunity to demonstrate your knowledge and skills. It makes the client feel like they're in good hands, and it also indirectly promotes you for future work. Exceed expectations. If it's possible to do something that's easy for you to deliver and also happens to be very valuable for your client, do it for free and make sure that the client knows about it. Even though you'll have done something for free, you will effectively get paid for it when the client becomes a repeat client. There are multiple methods and tools that can be used to manage and optimize the customer experience, including using simple and fair agreements, clarity in the statement of work, using project management tools, messaging tools, using an efficient workflow for reviewing completed work, etc. If your work involves more than one step, I strongly recommend creating a statement of work and using a project management tool, because initial requirements will be outlined in the statement of work and agreed by everyone involved before starting. And 2, everyone involved can watch progress inside the project management tool and provide their input in real time. 3, as a result of the 2 previous points, you'll minimize disputes with clients. Now, the statement of work does not have to be a long and complex document. It can just be a list of dot points, but it must be clear and include everything. As for project management tools, I recommend using something like Trello because the Kanban presentation style is very simple, flexible, and useful. It's also free, so you won't need to waste money creating accounts for everyone that needs to be involved. And many people already have a Trello account and know how to use it, so you don't have to waste time teaching clients and freelancers how to use it. I have no affiliation with Trello. I'm just recommending it because I like it and I actually use it. Finally, when a project is completed, remember to get an acknowledgement from the client that confirms that there's nothing outstanding. This can involve signing an agreement if it's a large project, or just an email confirmation if it's a small project. Also remember to survey the client to ensure that they're happy with the result. And if they're happy with the result, go ahead and ask for a review, testimonial, or see if they might be interested in participating in a case study. Look out for my video about client satisfaction to learn more about how to survey the client, get reviews and testimonials and case studies. In the meantime, there's a lot of things you need to do before delivering a service. You need to offer a good product or service, then you need to make a portion of your target audience aware of them, then you need to convert a percentage of them into paying customers. So let's talk about how to do it. First, I'll be releasing a series of videos about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. So go ahead and subscribe if you want to receive alerts when those videos are released. Second, you can generate awareness by using iMagine. It's a platform for people that want to grow their business while having a positive impact on the world. You can grow your customers and social media followers by connecting with other people on iMagine and cross-promoting your brand to each other's customers and followers. You can also find co-founders and sources of capital. The best part of all of this is that it's free and doesn't involve doing any work. Just create an account, upload a profile pic, enter a brief bio, and check the boxes that match your objectives. Then let the algorithm match you with people that want to work with you. Your matches will show up in your inbox. There are also a lot of other things that you can do on iMagine to grow your business and have a positive impact. Check out the links in the description. Third, if you decide that you want to implement any of the 100 ways to get customers for photographers, you'll need to have the website, landing pages, CRM, and other tools and automations required to convert as many of them as possible into paying customers. To help photographers have the best chance of success, I've created the Photography Growth Package. So what is the Photography Growth Package? I created a digital agency called iMagine Digital so that we can provide everything that you see in my marketing videos. In order to succeed, you need three things. An advanced website with stunning design that addresses all of the 30 critical trust factors, advanced marketing strategies that increase awareness and conversion rates, advanced marketing tools that automate everything. The Photography Growth Package includes a 31-page website that's been set up for photographers with stunning design that addresses all 30 trust factors, everything you need for e-commerce, advanced marketing funnels, a fully featured CRM, ready-made email templates, and more than 100 automations pre-configured. We'll set up everything for you. You just need to add information about your business, then start acquiring customers. If you don't use advanced marketing strategies and you don't use automations, you'll be at a massive disadvantage because digital marketing simply takes too much time when you do it manually. Your business and your personal income depend on it. This is the best way for you to instantly address all of the trust factors, instantly have all of the automations that I mention in all of my videos, and have everything you need to execute the 100 strategies in my series about 100 ways to get customers for photographers. And you'll get all of this with the least amount of time, money, and effort. For most of you, the ability to have everything that you need instantly set up and ready to go so that you can get customers 100 different ways will be the difference between success and failure. Check out the links in the description to learn more about it. In the meantime, if you do want to use your existing systems and tools, that's fine. I'm still going to give you my 100 best strategies, all outlined step by step for free in these videos. Just keep in mind that it will take a little bit more time and cost a little bit more money. Now, I know I've discussed a lot of things in this video that might be new to you. If you know that all of this is very valuable and you're in a hurry and you don't know what to do next, just subscribe to this channel and go to iMagine and create a free account. It'll take 30 seconds and we'll send you an email with a checklist about what to do next. Then you'll have all the information that you need and you can do it whenever the time is right for you. I've included links to everything in the description. I've also included links to related videos. As always, think about how to grow your business in a way that has a positive impact. The best way to do it is with the iMagine platform. I'll see you in the next video.